In this video, I'm going to be going over the Spotify video courses that were recently launched as a new feature on the mobile and desktop app. Obviously, as you know, Spotify is very big for its music, playlists, getting access to now recently podcasts as well. I think recently Spotify realized people are accessing Spotify to learn in some way or another. So having this additional feature just at the moment for people in the UK as a test. So it means right now anyone can go onto the app, go across the tabs after the audio podcast part, go on the courses, and there's lots to access. The main categories are music, for example, if you wanted to learn more about DJing, or you wanted to learn more about business and creativity, and even celebs alike as well, which is really, really cool. What I really did like so far about the courses is that you can actually access 2 for free. So the first 2 are unlocked, which means anyone can watch these and access them and kind of understand what it's about. Prices range from around £15 to £35, can go up to £200, depending on what it is. When you're comparing it to Udemy, which is actually very similar with the pricing between maybe £20 to £100. Obviously, they have subscriptions, so this obviously could be something that could be incorporated later with Spotify. At the moment, as I said, it's just a kind of a stage where they're kind of testing the waters for the UK. But I personally think it's a really, really user-friendly experience. There's no guarantee that it will be released wider than the UK, but definitely I feel like it's got a lot of potential. I'm excited to do more courses myself as well. Stick around, lots more content coming for you guys, tips and tricks about e-learning and instructional design coming your way. Obviously, feel free to subscribe so you can continue watching my videos and be updated every time I do post new content.